有啲四座。
跟住兩個人喺度打。
我覺得你啲畫好特別，色彩都好靚嘅，希望你可以繼續加油啦。
Thank you。
水筆咁樣喺畫簿畫咗先嘅。
加油啊！希望你可以畫更加多嘅畫。
都好正啊，色彩繽紛，表達咗你內心好多嘅正面嘅能量。
哇 ，Marcus 加油啊！你啲畫好靚啊！
哇，好靚啊！呢個
Okay, congratulations, Marcus. Painting has a good story. It describes you, your
It's
personality.
amazing how Marcus would tell us the story behind this painting, and I just want to appreciate Marcus.
多謝大家鼓勵，I will do my best。